Cracking your knuckles might lead to arthritis? That's just an old wives' tale. The real reason for that pop? It's called cavitation. But does it really cause arthritis? Long-term studies say no. Meet Dr. Donald Unger, the knuckle cracker. He cracked his left hand for 60 years. And guess what? No arthritis. He even won an IG Nobel Prize. But what about soft tissue irritation or reduced grip strength? These are minor issues, not arthritis. So why the myth? It's likely just annoyed parents. Remember, correlation does not equal causation. So go ahead, crack away. Enjoy the satisfying pop. Just don't overdo it. Stay informed, stay healthy, and share this knowledge.